Hey guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand for sending over this Tallow Honey Balm Face and Body Moisturizer for me to try out. Let's take a close-up look and then we'll talk about it. Now, when you first open it up, I'm going to tell you my thoughts. I literally thought, this looks like butter, right? This looks like butter to me. So it is a very thick, kind of almost like paste. So I'm going to show you what they recommend that you do is that you first kind of help it emulsify. So you're going to put it in your hands. There you go. And kind of warm it up. And you almost feel it start to melt right there in your hands. And that warming it up helps to really break it down. Oh my goodness, it feels so good when I put it on. The ingredients include beef tallow, raw honey, olive oil, vitamin E. It feels, I would say, much more luxurious on your body and on your hands than like a typical lotion. So I want to make sure that you understand this is thick, heavy. You want to warm it up to emulsify it so that it evenly goes on your skin. It does, I said it's like almost like a paste, but it's really like, honestly, like butter is what the consistency feels like. Just remember, like it says on the packaging, take an appropriate amount and evenly apply to even skin. And you want to gently massage it to help it absorb into the skin. This is a handmade product. And I want to read the little note that comes inside. It's kind of cute. I never saw this before. So it says, "Thank you for your support. Writing an honest review helps us compete against the big guys." So that's actually pretty cool that they put that inside. If you are looking for a beef tallow that feels rich and kind of, I want to say, protects the skin barrier, this is one that you want to check out.